Hello all, I'm Anjana here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is for professionals who want to work abroad as biochemists after completing biochemistry course. A good job with high salaries, everyone's dream, right? That too in healthcare sector. But not everyone knows what to do and whom to approach. So, in today's video, I am going to tell you about biochemistry coaching provided by Trueway's own academy. So, let's see what are the features of the classes. Online classes of 35 working days. Classes is conducted through Zoom application. Class time 7 p.m. onwards. 2 to 3 hours classes per day. Monday to Friday classes. Online exams on every Saturday. Candidates have the opportunity to attend recorded class according to their convenience. The candidates gets a profile while joining. That's how the recorded classes and exams are conducted. And all the study materials are provided. The classes are taught by faculties with more than 15 years of experience. And Trueway offers you the best classes with individual attention. You can choose Trueway's coaching without hesitation as these classes have 100% success rate. Then immediately contact your customer care number for more details about the course fees and take admissions. So, see you soon with another useful video like this. Until then, stay tuned. It's me Anjana signing off. Thank you for watching.